Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Continuing the analysis from yesterday, we saw Bitcoin ranging exactly as predicted, from 81,800 to 83,300, only to break upwards above 83,300 on the third attempt, pushing into the new high-leverage late shorts area of 84,000 to 86,500. Checking the heat map, we can see how quickly the short pocket from 83,800 to 84,400 got eaten today, only for Bitcoin to dip down to 80,000, liquidating late longs before moving back up to the hottest area around 84,500. At the time of recording, we are at the doors of this level, ready to liquidate all the bears here. Looking at the 1-hour wave trend, we can see that Bitcoin might need another dip down to the blue horizontal level of 83,200 to take a breather before a big run-up to higher numbers. But for now, the bears are getting cooked. A look at Bitcoin ETF inflows shows positive numbers again. The last time we saw positive inflows was on March 5th. Today is the 12th, and so far we have plus 60.4 million, with ARK leading the way at plus 82.6 million. Did you follow me longing the bottom? I will update you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts, entries, and exits. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.